bring you a report on key developments across Nigeria's 36 states. I'm Ibrahim Shita. We begin in Cross River State, where residents of Adiabo Akanobio community have lived for years with the challenge of not being able to access potable water. The Nigerian Navy has now stepped in with an intervention aimed at easing that burden and improving life in the community. Tina Kweke reports.
Sustains life. It is needed every day to drink, cook, wash, and keep families healthy. But in Adiabo Akanobio, potable water has remained out of reach for the communities for years. Residents have had to make the trip down to streams and climb back up the hills with filled containers. That daily struggle is now changing. The Nigerian Navy has provided a 50,000-litre water storage tank powered by an industrial solar borehole, bringing potable water closer to the people. The intervention also includes the renovation of a community town hall. The project facilitator says access to water was identified as a priority after consultations with community leaders.
So the essence of this project, initiated by the Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Ayabas, in my honor, is basically to give back to my community, to win the hearts and mind of the people as part of the Nigerian Navy civic responsibility.
So we're here today to commission these projects, laudable projects. What it does is that it builds the confidence of the communities, it endears the community to the military, and that provides enabling environment for information sharing, information gathering.
The Cross River State government says the intervention will improve living conditions in the community and urges residents to take ownership of the facilities. Executed under the Chief of Naval Staff's Special Intervention Quick Impact Project, the facilities were inaugurated by the special guest of honor, the Obon of Calabar, His Eminence, Edida Nekbo-Kunabaso V, who also inspected the water project and renovated town hall alongside all the dignitaries.
The water is going to help a lot of people in the community, because before people were going to stream, but now we have water. It's a solar water which he has connected to a lot of houses.
I'm feeling happy because we are suffering of water. We used to go stream, but now we have borehole in our community.
Tina Kweke, TVC News, Calabar, Cross River State.
Somewhere in Calabar. Tina Kweke is joining me. Tina, residents of Adiabo Akanobio have lived for years without reliable access to potable water, as you said in your report. How significant is this intervention in changing the daily lives of people in that community or in those communities?
All right, thank you, Ibrahim. The intervention is very important because access to potable water has been a long-standing challenge here. So we spoke to some residents who have lived here before now. They rely on, stream water, which is located down the hills, making the journey difficult, especially for children and elderly. So the new facility brings the water closer to the people, and they are very happy about that.
It's good to see that the Navy has actually changed the narrative or the idiom, or let's say the Navy saying access to water was identified as something that one community where there are other pressing needs, which is identified that could receive attention in future interventions. How exactly have the people received this gesture?
Absolutely, very positive. In fact, we spoke with some persons, especially the elderly. They had to pour their heart because they have lived. They are the ones who have worn the shoes and they know how they felt, the pains. So going down the river, going down to the stream, to the hills, and to fetch this water. But apart from the borehole, they also the community also needed a proper place of meeting and other social activities, which is why the town hall, which was abandoned some years back, was also renovated as part of the intervention. So let me mention here that that intervention, according to the Nigerian Navy, is under a quick impact project, and it also cut across some sustainabilities according to the health, education, and community engagement.
Absolutely.
And also, before they embark on that, they must have to know what the community needs, and they go for their priorities.
Absolutely. Tina Kweke from Cross River, thank you so much for the update. Thank you. And that's about it on news from the state. It's back to you, Precious.
All right, thank you so much, Ibrahim, for the brilliant conversation with our reporters. That's it on TVC News at 1. Thank you so much.